Hi everyone, Connor here from Team Blockdaemon. In today's tutorial, we'll guide you through adding and transferring tokenized assets using the Blockdaemon institutional wallet. Today, we'll focus on the ERC 1404 token standard. It's important to note that both the ERC 1404 and ERC 3643 token standards are fully supported by the Blockdaemon institutional wallet platform. However, because they both follow an identical process for adding and sending tokens, we'll focus on the ERC 1404 token standard specifically today. This demonstration aims to provide a clear step-by-step walkthrough, ensuring that you can confidently manage these token standards within your Blockdaemon institutional wallet. Let's dive into how you can use these token standards in your business's operations. To begin, log in to your Blockdaemon institutional wallet. In the left-hand menu, navigate to Settings, then to Assets within the main navigation bar. From here, click Add Asset in the top right corner of the screen. This is the section of the wallet where you can now add tokenized assets. You will now have a pop-up asking you for a source address, which is the address of your generated ERC 1404 token. You are able to add your own created ERC 1404 token here, or Blockdaemon is able to provide you with an example ERC 1404 contract address for testing purposes within the sandbox environment upon request. Within the source address field, input the contract address of the token you are adding. We've gone ahead and added one. With the drag and drop upload field, you have the option of adding an image associated with the token you're adding. However, this is not a requirement. Once you have completed these steps, you can click the Add button. You will now see a pop-up notification in the top right informing of a processing operation. Under your Assets field, you now see the new asset. Under the token standard, you'll see it is listed as a token standard ERC 1404, as well as the associated contract address. If you wish to add an ERC 3643 token corresponding to a different source address, you would follow exactly the same process. We are now going to show you how to send ERC 1404 tokens to another wallet. In the Accounts view of the wallet, you'll see that we're in our demo account. Under the Assets field, you'll see a list of the total available assets. As you can see, we have 20 ERC 1404 tokens available. We'll go to the right of the asset and click the ellipses, then select Transfer Funds. In the pop-up that appears, we'll see a number of fields that must be completed to initiate the transaction. These are the following. Asset. This is the asset we wish to transfer, which we selected in the previous page. Source. This is the account that we wish to transfer from. In this case, it's our demo account. Destination. Select a compatible wallet address under the destination account field that you'd like to transfer your tokenized asset to. This can be either internal or external. Crypto amount. This is the total amount of tokens you wish to transfer. Under token amount, we'll enter 10. Fee rate. You also have the option to select your desired fee rate, either custom, low, medium, or high. Once you've completed these fields, we are now ready to initiate this transaction. Click the bottom right hand button Transfer. Please note that this will trigger a notification on your Blockdaemon institutional wallet approver app on your iPhone. You must confirm this transaction to proceed. Your transaction is also subject to the rules of your organization's policy, meaning approval of this transaction by one or more individuals may be required also, depending on your business setup. Now that we've transferred 10 ERC 1404 tokens, we can see that our new balance is reflected within our demo account. We now have 10 tokens remaining under the amount field. Heading over to our Transactions tab, we can see the transaction that we have just initiated is shown here. We can see the following information: created date, source, destination, asset, amount, and status. Confirms that the transaction has completed successfully. Please note that if you try to initiate a transaction that does not comply with the ERC 1404 smart contract rules that you've set at the time of smart contract creation, the transaction will not be successful. For example, the minimum transaction amount for our Blockdaemon test token is 10 ETH. If we attempt to send less than this amount, you will now receive a pop-up informing you that you have an ERC transfer restriction. Please note that you as a customer will be able to set your own rules for your own ERC 1404 at the smart contract level. So there you have it. You're now able to add tokenized assets under the ERC 1404 and ERC 3643 standards to your Blockdaemon institutional wallet and transfer them to internal accounts and external wallets. Stay tuned by subscribing to Blockdaemon's YouTube channel for more deep dives into tokenization within the Blockdaemon institutional wallet.